Welcome to my channel, where we explore the timeless wisdom of Stoicism and its power to help us live more meaningful and fulfilling lives. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the concept of purpose and how Stoicism can guide us toward discovering and fulfilling our unique purpose in life. Whether you're feeling lost, uninspired, or simply seeking a deeper sense of meaning, I believe that the lessons of Stoicism can help you find your path and live a life that is truly aligned with your values and aspirations. So sit back, relax, and let's begin our journey toward unlocking our purpose and living a meaningful life with Stoicism. Lesson 1. Understand your nature. The first step to discovering your purpose is to understand your own nature. Stoicism teaches us that we are all part of a larger universe and that we have a unique role to play in the grand scheme of things. By reflecting on our strengths, weaknesses, and passions, we can begin to identify what we are naturally suited for and what brings us the most fulfillment. For example, if you find that you are naturally compassionate and empathetic. Lesson 2. Embrace your role in the world. Stoicism teaches us that we all have a role to play in the world, no matter how small or insignificant it may seem. It is our duty to embrace our role and to fulfill it to the best of our ability. By doing so, we contribute to the greater good and find meaning in our own lives. Your role in the world may be to be a loving parent, a supportive friend, a dedicated employee, or a compassionate volunteer. Whatever your role may be, it is important to embrace it and to fulfill it with passion and purpose. Lesson 3. Focus on what you can control. One of the key principles of Stoicism is to focus on what we can control and to let go of what we cannot. This means focusing on our own thoughts, actions, and reactions, rather than on external circumstances or the actions of others. By doing so, we can avoid wasting time and energy on things that are beyond our power to change, and focus instead on the things that we can influence. For example, we cannot control the weather or the actions of other people, but we can control how we react to these things. We can choose to be positive and optimistic, even in the face of adversity. Lesson 4. Live in accordance with nature. Stoicism teaches us to live in accordance with nature, both the external world and our own internal nature. This means living in harmony with the laws of the universe and with our own true selves. When we live in accordance with nature, we find ourselves living a life of purpose and fulfillment. For example, we can live in accordance with the external world by respecting the environment and living sustainably. We can live in accordance with our own internal nature by following our passions and pursuing our goals. Lesson 5. Practice virtue. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of practicing virtue in all aspects of our lives. Virtue is the quality of being morally good and righteous. By practicing virtue, we develop a strong character and become better people. This, in turn, leads to a more meaningful and fulfilling life. There are many different virtues that we can practice, such as courage, wisdom, justice, and temperance. By practicing these virtues, we can become more well-rounded individuals and live a life that is in alignment with our values. Lesson 6. Accept adversity. Stoicism teaches us that adversity is an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. When we face challenges, we have the opportunity to learn, to develop our character, and to find meaning in our suffering. By embracing adversity, we can become stronger, more resilient, and more compassionate individuals. For example, if you lose your job, you can see it as an opportunity to learn new skills and to find a better job that is more aligned with your purpose. Or, if you experience a personal setback, you can see it as an opportunity to grow as a person and to develop a deeper sense of resilience. Lesson 7. Find meaning in the present moment. Stoicism teaches us to find meaning in the present moment. This means focusing on the things that we can control and appreciating the good things in our lives, no matter how small. By living in the present moment, we can avoid dwelling on the past or worrying about the future, and we can find contentment and fulfillment in the here and now. For instead of worrying about the future, you can focus on enjoying the present moment with your loved ones. Or instead of dwelling on the past, you can focus on learning from your mistakes and moving forward with a positive attitude. I hope that these lessons have inspired you to discover your purpose and to live a more meaningful life with Stoicism. If you're interested in learning more about Stoicism, I encourage you to explore the resources available online and in libraries. There are many books, articles, and videos that can help you to deepen your understanding of this powerful philosophy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos on Stoicism and other topics related to personal growth and self-improvement. Remember, you have the power to create a meaningful and fulfilling life for yourself. By embracing the lessons of Stoicism, you can discover your purpose, live in accordance with your nature, and find contentment in the present moment. Thank you for watching.